Hey, welcome back to ManKitchenRecipes. Of course, be sure to subscribe. Today we're going to make a Raspberry Chipotle meatloaf with green chili. Quite a few ingredients in this one. We usually try to keep it simple, but this one, you just got to make it with all of it. It'll turn out great. Here we go. Check it out. Okay, for this Raspberry Chipotle meatloaf with green chili, it does take a few items, but well worth it. So we've got 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound hot Italian sausage, 2 eggs. These are green chilies. It'll be about 1 cup of diced green chilies, 1 package of Ritz crackers. You'll need some raspberry chipotle sauce, some garlic pepper, some garlic salt, onion, about 1 cup of shredded cheese, some barbecue sauce, and some ketchup. So we're going to get all that into the mix together. That's all the ingredients. Okay, so we got our hamburger, Italian sausage, okay. Next, I'm going to get the crackers crumbled up. I'm going to cut up the onion, the green chili, and mix it all in. Okay, I got the green chilies cut up. Those for our meat. Okay, got our onion cut up. We'll add that to the mix. We're going to put about a tablespoon of garlic pepper. About a teaspoon of garlic salt. Cup of shredded cheese. You can eyeball it. It's not precise on that. It's a good handful. Maybe a little bit more. I like cheese. I got 2 eggs. Now about 1/4 cup of ketchup. About 1/4 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm going to crush up our Ritz crackers and add that to it. Okay, if you're nice and careful, you can get them all crushed up right in the pack. Then you open it and dump it on there. Okay, now we're going to give this a good mix. And we'll be right back. It's not getting your hands dirty, right? As long as they're clean before you started. Okay. I'm going to press it together. I'm going to put it on this smoking tray that I use quite often, usually for smoking almonds, but we're going to do the meatloaf on it. Form it a little bit. I'm going to set it in the refrigerator. I'm going to put some cellophane on top. Set it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes or so while the smoker heats up. We're going to be smoking at 300 degrees today. Should take about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And 30 minutes before we're done, we'll add the raspberry chipotle sauce on top. And man, is it gonna be good. Okay, we've got the meatloaf in the fridge. We're letting the smoker warm up. I just wanted to say, not everybody has green chilies. You can get them in the can though. And if you don't care for green chilies, you can always put a can of chopped jalapenos or fresh jalapeno in there. And you can also do this in the oven. You can check our website at ManKitchenRecipes.com. We'll have the recipe there. It'll have all the ingredients. So you got to try this out. Every time we serve this, everybody that tries it just loves it. So give it a shot. We'll see you in a minute when we go to throw it out there on the grill. Okay, so I changed my mind. I think I'm going to do these at 250. It's probably going to take 2 hours, somewhere in there. Anyway, so I've got it set at 250. We're running at 260 right now. So doesn't that look pretty? We'll take that cellophane off. I didn't mention or show that I did spray this pan with some olive oil. So we're just gonna get this meatloaf on here. Gonna put it on this side so it gets more smoke. And we're gonna let this roll. Also wanted to mention you can use just a regular cookie sheet. Maybe you line it with foil. Use a baking cooling rack or something on there if you want, so that the grease drips down. This is a 93.7 ground beef, so it shouldn't be too greasy. So we're gonna let it go. We'll see you in an hour. Okay, 1 hour in. 2:45. Let's give it a look. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I forgot to mention we're using the pecan, hickory, and mesquite blend, the Pit Boss pellets. We're at 136, 137. Okay, we want to take this up to about 155, 160, then we'll put the raspberry chipotle sauce on it. So we'll let it go. I'll check it in another 35, 40 minutes. Okay, we're 30 more minutes in, so an hour and a half total so far. It's looking really good, isn't it? Okay, we're at 157, 159. We're ready to get some chipotle sauce on here. Okay, let's get this off and get some raspberry chipotle rubbed on there. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna get some raspberry chipotle sauce on there. Pour it on, kind of thick. Brush it on. Okay. Let's get this back on. Let's put a tiny bit more on top. Got it back on. We have the raspberry chipotle sauce on there. Let this go about 20 more minutes. Let it set in. Another 25 minutes. It's time to get this off. That look good. We'll see you inside. Okay, man, doesn't that look delicious? Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Sorry, that's a little difficult to do. All right. There's a piece here. We're going to give this a try. Oh man. That raspberry chipotle sauce on this meatloaf with the green chilies, it's delicious. A little spicy, that's what we're going for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot more great videos. Have a great day. Okay, this is what we have left over after 3 of us ate it and had seconds. And one guy, he said he didn't like meatloaf, but he loved this meatloaf. You got to try it. It's so good.